Hey guys, so guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat this seaweed. So I'm gonna open it and I'm just gonna eat it. So it's time for the moment of truth.
What does it look like? Ew!
Oh shoot.
It looks like a green
It looks like a
skin.
green skin.
Okay.
I'll eat this one, I guess. It's actually pretty good.
Is it?
I've ate seaweed before, so I have to say it's actually pretty good.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like seaweed.
But what does seaweed taste like?
Just like weeds.
Weeds? Look good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now what does seaweed do for you? Oh! Is it crunchy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So how many stars would you give the seaweed?
I'd probably give this a 10. It's actually pretty good.
10 stars?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? That's a lot of stars.
Here,
No,
let's
I'm
have
not
Mom
trying it.
try it.
No, no, no. I have a texture problem. That looks... Eek.
It looks bad, but it's actually...
So it does taste
pretty
good? Okay. Alright.
So, after you guys like this video, please subscribe back. If you want more seaweed videos, please subscribe. Bye!